Say good morning. Good morning.
To the fire.
Say good morning.
Mama, there's a fire.
Ang ganda ng quality ng phone.
Inside your house.
Ang ganda. Wala pa akong iba sa settings.
At your house.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Public holiday dito, guys. Labor Day ata. Yeah, it is Labor Day. We are all getting ready because we will go out again today. Nakabihis na ako. Naayos ko na din ata yung mukha ko. Yeah, tapos na ako, guys. And I'll just wear a coat because it's cold. Diba? Binigyan tayo ng magandang weather and now balik sa malamig. Ang lamig-lamig. Sabi niya, hindi yan camera. Hindi yan camera. Phone yan. Balik ka na dun. Hello. Ganda din ang front camera. Oh. Front camera to. Ganda, be?
Mama, I'm cold. I'm cold.
You're cold? Yeah, I've got your outfit ready. No, blanket. We're going. May batang papunta. May batang papunta. Nakita niya, inon ko yung camera. Iba ka talaga, be. Ano ba? Anong meron sa itim na camera to? She's got singlet. You want this? Ah, she got a new water bottle, guys. Binili ko to kahapon. Sa Chemist Warehouse. Disney one. Tapos yung isang water bottle niya, lagyan ko ng milk. Na. Magsi-pick up na yung milk mo? Na? Hindi na magbote? Hindi na mag-baby bottle? Ang baby ko? Big girl naman niya ako, baby. Regular milk ka na? Actually, hindi pa. Ano pa din siya? Baby milk pa din siya. Pero soon, no? Yung target ko is, well, hindi ako magta-target. Gagawin na lang natin yan. No? Gagawin na lang natin yan. So, niready ko lang yung kanilang mga pagkain. Siyempre, kakain tayo dun, guys, but we always bring extra para sa mga bata. And then, Isla's drawing folder. Nilagyan ko na siya ng mga textures na nagwo-work. At saka, meron siyang parang drawing book dito. And, meron ding mga blank paper lang. So, that's for ate. And si Arlo makikigamit din yan. But I don't bring his own kasi hindi naman siya masyadong andito. Dadali niya lang yung ano niya, bagong toy niya, yung transformer na car. But yeah, this bag is ready. We have 30 minutes left. Alis tayo in 30 minutes, guys. Anong gagawin ko sa buhok ko? Parang okay sa akin yung ganito. Okay lang, it doesn't stay like that. Kunting galaw ko lang, nanggagano na siya. So parang na lang tayong walang buhok na natira. So I like tying my hair. Mag-lip tint tayo, B. Hindi! Guys! Naririnig ko sa hindi papunta. Akala ko walang nakasunod, but Daddy's there. Daddy is there. Ah, ito. Yung iba nito, binigay ko kay Miss. Ito yung from Laka na brand. Ayan. Ang super cute niya lang. Gusto ko yung mga mini lip tints. Ito yung gusto ko talaga din. Ang ganda din ng shade na to. This is from Roman. Ito yung The Juicy Lasting Tint Mini. Shade ata nito is Cocoa Palm, if I remember. 07 Cocoa Palm. Yeah, I think. Basta may cocoa. Ililive ko yung link nito sa baba, guys. But this one is, ang shade nito ay caffeine something ata. Basta may caffeine. Ililive ko din yung link nito sa baba. Yeah. Ah, girl. Ikaw, girl. Di. Ito talaga ang aking buntot. Buntot kita, be. May 30 minutes pa ako. Natapos ko na lahat na kailangan kong gawin dun sa baba. Di. Ganyan yung shade niya. Ganda to. Ang ganda nito. Kung gusto niyo yung mas dark pero hindi siya like bright. I like it. Laka. Sobrang cute niya lang. Itong mga to available lahat sa YesStyle. And you guys know the drill. I have 10% off sa YesStyle. Razol 10. Ayan, itali lang natin. Para tayong kagalang-galang na magpapapicture. Ay, speaking of picture, I need to look for my passport. Photo. Kasi di ba kakapa-passport photo lang natin nung I was processing my citizenship papers ba. Tapos, kailangan ko siya. Kasi nga, I'm applying for my Australian passport now. And kailangan ko na siyang gawin. Kasi, well, ginagawa ko naman siya. Kaya lang, hindi ko natatapos ng isahang upuan. Kasi, kita nyo naman, meron tayong buntot. Nasa-stop ko siya. Pero ang maganda, kapag ginawa mo siya online, nababalikan mo siya. So, I'm doing an online application, not paper application. Kung ayaw nyo ng online, pwede din paper application. I think meron ka lang i-fill out. Tapos, punta ka ng post office. But, I'm doing it online. And, ang maganda sa online is, nababalikan ko nga siya. So, after ko ma-fill out itong page na to, pag bumalik ako dun sa website, yung mga na-fill out ko na, nandun na. So, hindi na ako balik sa simula. Kasi, ang daming mga kailangan i-fill out. Like, ang daming mga numbers. May mga dagdag documents pa ako kasi nag-change of name ako, diba? So, and then, na-stuck ako ng ilang araw sa referee. Kapag ginawa mo siya online, you will need a referee. Kapag paper application, you will need a guarantor. I found this information after ko na na-submit yung details ng referee ko. So, dun ako na-stuck kasi I need someone na kailangan Australian citizen but not related to me. Not related by blood or by marriage. So, yung una naming naisip, best friend ni Dan. Para din kung may kailangan man siyang pirmahan, makakatch up silang dalawa, diba? Or makakatch up kami. Minessage ni Dan, and then we found out na he's away. So, hindi na siya pwede. Pwede ko makuha yung passport details niya, but just in case nga may pipirmahan siya, nasa malayo siya. And gusto ko na nga siyang gawin agad-agad. So, yung ginawa ko is si John yung ginawa kong referee kasi pupunta naman sila dito. And sabi ko, kung may pipirmahan man, at least nandito siya. So, nakuha ko lahat ng details kahapon lang. Kasi ang dami-dami nating ginagawa sa buhay. Tapos may bisita pa tayo the past few days na napupuntahan ko lang siya but hindi ko siya as in nauupuan talaga. Bukas ng umaga, agad-agad, pupunta ko ng post office para tingnan nila yung mga original documents ko and then bayad and then submit na yung application ko. And it takes 6 weeks daw. So, gusto ko na siyang gawin agad-agad. Hindi ko siya magawa ngayon kasi nga public holiday, close ang Australia Post. So, first thing tomorrow morning. Kasi it takes 6 weeks daw. And kailangan ko siya for our December trip, which is like still a long time. But, alam mo yun, just in case may mga delay na mangyari. So, kapag pumunta ako ng post office bukas 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yeah, still in November. I still have a long time before like the trip. But, you know, yung iniisip ko lang talaga, pag ito na delay, wala akong passport. No, it's an ample amount of time. So, we are good. Na medyo nasi-stress lang ako kapag wala akong passport. Just in case may mangyari ba, wala akong passport. Kasi, kapag citizen ka na ng Australia, mawawala ng visa yung previous passport mo. So, iba yung feeling. Just in case ba may mangyari, hindi ako makaalis agad-agad. Alam mo yun, kasi wala akong passport. So, wala namang mangyayari. Simbak ko man. Ay, Ginoo ko, Lord. But, yan yung pinaka-importante talaga sa akin. As soon as nagland ako sa Australia, yung pinaka-importante na in-instill ko talaga sa utak ko, sa puso ko, sa aking soul, is I should be able to get out of the country anytime. So, dapat meron akong enough na ipon, like, more than enough na ipon, and dapat, like, you know, meron ako ng mga documents, just in case, diba? May mangyari. This one's good. You have a passport. You have a passport. Everyone's got passports. Yeah, except for mommy. And I don't like the feeling. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Huy, hinihintay namin na magputong batang to.
Mommy, Is that right? No?
Indy, how are you there?
I'm good.
Is it nice? You're cozy.
Mama, I'm good.
You're good? That's good. How are you, Isla?
I'm good.
You're good? That's good. How about Indy? You think she's good? Yes, you're good. Yes, you. Dada. Say mama. Now, mama.
Say Papa.
I know. She says baba.
She likes Papa.
She likes saying baba. Doesn't say mama.
Yeah, she likes Daddy. Yeah.
She does.
Her first one was Daddy. No, and she tries. And she could say
You have to put the
Mama,
directions
and
on as
she
well.
tries.
27 minutes away. We're going to the brewery, guys. It looks nice.
How's Indy going, Eiley?
Good.
She likes a chair?
She does. She's up high.
I want to be up high.
It's more. It just by looking at it, it's way more comfy for her. It's just harder to get it in because it's so high.
Do you have plenty of room there, Eiley, with the chair?
Oh yeah, she does.
Tomorrow, yeah, I've got to be gone by 10 o'clock in the morning, my love, so you can
Yeah.
go.
So I'll check what time they open, and
They
then
open
I'll
at
go.
9.
9? Alright, I'll go straight away.
I'm pretty sure they open at 9. Just double check, but yeah.
I'll be there at 9. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's a really big pool. Indy, well done, Indy. Are you being funny? She looks so good up there.
Mama, what's Broadway song?
Faraway song.
Yep, I can sing that.
Oh, bring me back to that day. I had all of this waiting ahead. It kills to be halfway alive since I had you and one till I see you again.
We're here. Nakita namin na nag-drive kami. Ang ganda. Tapos may outside para sa mga bata. Best talaga.
Lord.
Huh?
Thanks, Lord,
For what?
for this beautiful word. Amen.
For this beautiful...
Daddy, let me out.
Oh, for this beautiful world I'm in. Babe.
Let me out.
That's so sweet. Can you help your brother, please?
Mom.
Babe, you're being...
or not, Russ?
Thank you, Maya.
Yes, she's sleeping.
Do you want me to
Oh,
go
no.
away today?
Did she poo and now she's sleeping?
I'll put my kid. Yeah, she is. Yes, she is.
She is.
I'm telling the truth, she is.
I know you are. I know you are telling the truth, baby. Don't you worry. So, nagdala kami ng mga coat kasi tsunay ko yung weather malamig. And now, it's kind of warming up a bit. Dito na kami, guys. We secured our table. We are at Grunthal pala. Grunthal Brewery. Ang ganda dito. Feeling ko bagong open to. Another good spot for the kids, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo to, oh. And hindi ito ganun kalayo. It's like a 27-minute drive from bahay namin. Maganda.
Food.
Meron silang pa-boat dito, oh. May sand. Oh gosh, Arlo loves sand.
But just you can play.
Tapos doon, may bahay-bahayan doon, guys. Ang cute. They're newish. Aren't they, babe?
A couple of years.
Oh, okay. Akala ko sobrang bago nito. Because pagpasok mo talaga ng Handolf, makikita mo siya. Hi! Hi, everyone! And mas marami silang food. They've got tasting experiences. Kasi may brewery sila dito eh. Even that's a big one. Oh, these are drinks. Ooh, cocktails. Chine-check ko kung meron silang Moscato. Ah, meron silang Moscato, my love. $10. Ah.
3.5 years.
The glass is $10. What's this? 16.
Glass. Oh, right, so the bottle's 36, so it's, I don't know, it's, they tend to... They're fine.
Yeah, so I'll get Moscato. The foods are here too. Yeah, so they have Korean chicken, they have karaage chicken, they have cheeseburger spring roll. Sounds good.
Yeah, get that.
Yeah. Isa pala to sa kino-consider niya na pang birthday celebration sana ni Indy. Kaya lang hindi pa kasi kami nakapunta dito. But it's nice. Pwede dito. That's my Moscato.
Yeah.
Didi! Yung mga bata pala guys naglalaro dun. Sa sand. D! Nothing's for you, D. I got water for you. Not for D. Not for D. I got this for D.
Maybe we should have got more fries because they're gonna eat fries.
Ah, yeah, sure.
Should I order enough fries?
Sige. Nag-order kami ng more fries. Kasi may ano pala tayong batang tao na ang cute-cute niya. Sinisilip niya kayo, gumagano'n siya. Where's D? Where's D? Where's D? Oh, D's there. I can see D. Whoops. Ay, kabuyang-biyan ako, D. Ay, nagwapa-biyan ako, D. Ang laki naman ng baso. This is Moscato. Oh, tingnan nyo yung dalawa. Oh, so sweet. Sabi ko kay Ayla, look after your brother, ha? There nyo. Uy, they're coming. Our Arlo is still limping. Ano bang Tagalog ng limping, guys? Pero it takes ano pa, baka daw weeks pa yan para maging normal yung walk niya. But he's walking. You did?
Was it fun?
We dusted it up.
Huh?
And we found Play-Doh.
Did you?
Whoa.
Tooth?
No.
Dinosaur tooth?
Yeah. And it's a T-Rex too.
Oh, really?
So happy.
Was it fun?
Yes, and T-Rex is so happy.
Oh, baby. I saw what you did. You're looking after your brother. Thank you very much.
Yeah, did you see me dusting his clothes off?
Yeah, I did. You're so
I
sweet.
even dust mine.
Ellie, you hungry?
Yeah.
We got chips coming soon, guys.
I don't mind to spend a little time away. Want your hands and I'll pixels on away. Down with this Saturday. Running, I run, call you up, you're on the other side. Say my
Bye.
name, kiss my name, believe no more. It's like we're right here, then I realize how can I have you when we're worlds apart? Say my name, nothing can go so
You want some? I'll give you the crust. Just wait a minute. There you go. Daddy's got you. What do you say to Dada?
quiet as a wayward bird. Thinking my thoughts lighting up.
Yeah. Thank you.
Can't keep them from racing. Driving me crazy. I'm picturing you till it hurts.
You good? Tastes like cheeseburger?
Mind spend a little time away. Want your hands and I'm pixels on away.
Yes, please.
Just in the middle anyway?
Yeah, even over here, that makes it easier.
And is that everything?
Potatoes. Loaded potatoes. Karaage chicken. Chicken tenders.
It's like we're right here, then I realize how can I have you when
You're making a tiny playground?
Good job, guys.
Wow.
After we finish eating.
I'll go there when we finish, okay? Wow. The sauce is really nice. I think it's gonna be really good. Dito kami sa The German Cake Shop. Nandun na si Dan sa loob at saka yung mga bata. Iwan kami dito. Dito yung Inday. Hello!
Now, 3, 5.
Now, can you? Maybe not.
That's stable, isn't it? No, don't. No, do not
Don't.
sit. This part.
Yeah, it says do not sit.
Why?
Ah.
What does that say? What does that say?
It says do not sit.
What does that say?
Sa collar, alam.
Careful, careful, guys.
It's made of plastic.
Yeah, we're gonna be careful.
Now, come on.
It's a fairy noise.
Tonight, is it?
Yeah.
I thought it said fairy. Ada loves fairies.
Isla,
Fairy noise.
ring it quietly.
Noise. That's the fairy noise.
Did you ring it?
Mommy,
To let the fairies
Ring
know
Carly
that...
to let the fairies know that you
fairy
approach.
noise.
Just a little,
That's
just
a
a
fairy
little one.
noise.
Little gentle one.
Mama.
Little Hannah.
Mommy.
Where they can hear, babe. More.
You can hear it.
Fairy noise.
There you go.
There you go.
Fairy noise. And the dragon. Mommy, the dragon.
Oh, dragon.
Mom, I love the fairy garden.
Do you? Oh, that's good.
Perfect bodies in the shallow, drifting faster than we should. Golden hour, paint a dream like you. Even dreams go
Looks good. It's good. Are you sure you want to carry him? It's gonna drip on you.
I can feel us slipping away, treading water. Yeah, what's the
She's allowed to.
You want it?
I just say playing.
We're gonna put it in the pram.
I thought you were just gonna go in and check it out.
That was never gonna be the case. You can't open it.
Even I don't know how to open this.
Yeah. Just
I can open it.
don't open it. You can open it when we get home.
Even how to open that either.
Can mommy see? What is it?
It's happening to me later.
Oh my gosh, I love that one. And what did you get?
Is it?
$3.50.
$3.50 for you.
How old is Mom?
Alo's is $5.
So mine is old.
Yours is
Expensive.
cheaper. Yours is cheaper.
And all of these expensive.
Time check. It's 6:08 ng gabi. Ay, malulubat ako. Kanina pa kami nasa bahay, guys. Nakatulog ako saglit sa car. I know, baby. Inayos ko lang agad yung mga kailangan kong dalhin for my passport application nga. So, nandito na. Tapos, nandito din yung photos natin. Ayan. Kailangan ko yan. Nandito na lahat ng documents kasi kailangan nila makita yung original. Tapos bukas punta ako ng maaga. Mag-open sila ng 9. Punta ako doon just before 9 kasi si Dan may kailangan ato umalis na bahay ng alas 10. Buti na lang may time pa ako kasi kung sobrang agang alis ni Dan, dalhin ko talaga yung 3 bata doon sa post office. Wait, should I cut it this way or here?
What are you doing, Mama?
I am cutting my photo.
And then you put it into a different paper.
Kahiwi ni mo budag gunting day oy, murag ko mayabag day. And then write full name at the back of the photo. Okay, na wala na akong iisipin, dire-diretso na ako bukas ng umaga. Photo, and then Australian citizenship certificate, foreign passport, Change of name certificate, marriage certificate, driver's license, and Medicare. And then that's it. So yung aking driver's license and Medicare is nasa key holder ko lang na hindi ko makakalimutan kasi nandun yung keys ng aking sasakyan. So, kompleto na. And okay na kami for dinner, guys, kasi tinake away namin yung aming mga tira. Ang dami namin in-order na naman. So, ang daming tira, oh. Ang chicken para sa mga bata, ayan. Merong natirang maraming karage, tapos chicken tenders din. Handorful. Dan got this from the fudge shop. Ito yung mga gusto niya eh. Ito hindi ko. Ito mga ganito. Hindi ko kaya to, guys. Sobrang ano na sa akin ito. Very dense, very thick. And then he got this from, I don't know. I forgot. Pero ang dami niyang pinuntahan. May binili siya sa lahat. What's this? Oh! He got a shark tooth. Yeah. Kala ko pagkain. Bumili siya ng ipin ng shark. Yan siya. Like, totoong shark tooth talaga to. Nakalimutan ko yan. Pumunta pala siya dun. Mahilig si Dan sa mga... Uy! You want more? Sorry. Mahilig si Dan sa mga antiques, sa mga ganyan, like mga fossil. Mahilig siya sa mga ganun. So, pumasok kami doon. Hindi ko na na-vlog yun kasi lagi ako naiiwan sa labas. Kasi may pram. Walang... may mga pram access yung mga shops doon. Kasi sobrang luma na ng mga buildings na yun eh. So, most of them walang pram access. And I was happy to stay out kasi that was like dance shop. And then he got, oh, that looks good. He got this, I don't remember where, but he got a cheesecake. Oh my gosh, that looks good. Looks like it's got walnuts as well. That looks yummy. Oh, that's from the German bakery. Yeah. So, yun yung Handorful ni Dan. That was so good and so quick. I love it. I went priority. It's extra $100. Pero yung difference is, kapag hindi priority, 6 weeks. Up to 6 weeks. And kapag priority, 10 days lang. O, diba? Galing. Okay, so very, very worth it ang $10. $10? $100. But it was really good. It was so quick. I love it. Let's go home to the family. And I'm all done. Thank you, Lord. So I paid $516 for an adult passport priority. Kung standard lang, hindi priority, $416.